Bishop Okugambebi yabaye bembiro kushaba aha kanisa rugatwa ya St John's Cathedral mu Fort Portal omukushaba ko kwakira omwaka mutya 2026.
This year, in the 15th of this month. So, as church, as Insiders Council of Uganda, as leaders, we want to appeal to you, citizens, to avoid being bought. Avoid being bought.
Tatito mu Ruhanga najangwa bebembeza abarukayo sente abatezi ngo babaha karuru nababa batina bushoborozi bwo kubebembera koreko kwerondere byabo.
Trustworthy, don't speak there, lies to us, put for you in the bridge here, when there's no river around, and they keep fooling people, and they make them lies.
Ahashonga za karuru akarukuza kuterwa kwezi okwe 2015 Bishop yashaba bikiriza okubentumwa z'obusinje.
So threatening violence, not good. We want to urge the youth who are the majority in this country. They have been talking about protest support, violence. That's not good language. We want the fighters to ensure that there are peaceful elections, peaceful after elections.
Omugandi abikiriza nabashabwa kugumana basima mukama ubutosha. Bigambirwa mu kanisa ya St Andrew's Church of Uganda omurubumbire Bushenyi aha kusima kwa mzee Eile Tibika obire nasima mukama ahabwe byamurabizemu.
Mama tubatunge bintu batunguka bebo bakizirenchi abatwa kwera kana abaho nabutuje babasi bagira bataka bombeka amaju bagirente bagira kiburi kintu cyona ubu bahibagize reki
Ruhanga emyaka 93 neza mukaga abo kundinda kandi kanse izore cyakabiri zeketengo cyabanywana banje batakeka kwanje nabo bashikeyo
nyona ni isima Ruhanga habo okuturinda n'umushija wanje n'abana cyo byabanye byambire nawe abana babiri umuntu no mukikaruka Yesuzani na mukama naturinda Levi
abatebekaniso kusima basimire bona abahisizo mukore kitinisa
nutsima Ruhanga abwo abazire bitu abwa muzeyi kucara kusima yakacendanisha y'ukuru ikitari cya kutosha kandi na ibyamurabize byona kandi tushaba ngo Ruhanga amwongere imyaka minji
ariho nagwara bakambika bakampa amasiko bakatana za radiyo bakashora ikikahwa mukaranga kangariro
gasha kwa Jonan Singwire na Onesimus Ndianabo.